Today we're gonna go into the zoo. So hit the subscribe button if you've been in it. Yay, I'm excited. Hi guys, we're going to the Living Desert Zoo and we're gonna see tigers. Do you like tigers? Subscribe the subscribe button if you love tigers. We're going to get tickets to go. I have my map to see all the animals. I can't wait. We're walking to the zoo and now I'm looking for animals in the zoo. There's not that much, but there's a lot of animals in the whole entire world. A lot of them! Like 100,000 of them. Okay, these are animals. What are these? Oh, cute! Look at these animals. No, not there. Babies! And where is that? Are there any more animals? No. They're not there. That's it. Over here. Oh my! They're moving! It's a rat! Moving! Ah, so cute! My sister's having fun too. That's my mommy and my sister's walking there again. I'm running to look for more animals. Look what I found. I found this over here. I thought there were animals, but they're nothing. Wait, there is an animal there, but it's not in the water. It is like a goat, but it's not a goat. It's a different animal. I forgot the name. And look, I found a giraffe. We're gonna feed a giraffe. I've never done that before, so it's gonna be fun. So fun. I'm really fun. Hey, how does the giraffe get the food? I never saw a giraffe, so I never seen a giraffe eat on people's hands before. I never saw one with a teeth. So we're gonna find out if it has teeth and how it eats. Got my salad to feed it. My dad and that's my sister was the piece of. How did you find that leaf that's broken? And now we're walking in line, walking to land, walking to land. And the hands stick there. Sticky. It's like sticky and looks slobbery. I don't like touching the giraffe's tongue, but that's how it eats it. Look at that long tongue. It looks like a snake's tongue. Oh, that's disgusting. Look how long! Now we're seeing the giraffe's bone. Look at how long is that bone. It looks like the neck. It's the neck? Is it the neck? I think it is. Wow! So cool. I got my chips to eat spoon. Now we're gonna eat our food. It's chips and we got nachos here. Waiting for us to eat. Time to eat this yummy chip. Yum, yum. This is good. And I want to look there. I saw leopard. Leopard over there. Leopard. Leopard. go. Oh, I could pet it now. That's fun. Wait a second. Look, I didn't know we could comb them. Look at that fur. It's so soft. Look at that. Comb it gently, okay, Summer? Okay? Okay. Now we're going here to find cheetahs. Wow! Cheetahs with the strong claws and run fast. They can run fast. This is a good cheetah. Cheetah. Wow. Okay, what sound does a lion make? Roar. What sound does a cheetah make? I don't know. Leopard? No, I do not know. Cat? Meow, 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 meow. That's what they say. Cheetah! Tires! Dude, I found white tires too. What's this? A wizard?
A few moments later.
We found spots for pictures, a bunch of palm trees. We took our picture. And now we're gonna go on the animal doctor looking there. And there was cat stuffies. And I'm looking at turtles. They're talking about the turtles, and then they saw somebody got to hold it. And they wanted to take a picture with the turtle. After that, I went to the train. I looked at the little train. I looked at the whole entire cute world. That's tiny. Then we went to the gift shop. So what a cute selfie! We didn't buy anything though. They look cool. I really wanted to buy stuff, but I couldn't. Daddy said no, but and now 15 times to say subscribe if you ever saw a leopard before. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good time. And if you're in the zoo, comment down below to tell me that you've been in the zoo. And ring the bell button.